How to fix Instagram DM not opening. You might be in the position where you are trying to send a message to one of the person, but whenever you send a text, the message is not being sent to this person. If you're also facing this issue, then in order for you to fix it, what you gotta do is simply move into App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for Instagram app. Click on this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing the issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Once updated, check whether the issue has been fixed or not. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of your device. Head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, move into your application Instagram and tap on Offload app. Once again, click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, the next thing you want to do is simply move into your application Instagram and head over to your profile. Click on this 3 horizontal line. Inside settings, scroll all the way down and you need to click on help. Select report a problem. Now simply choose report problem without staking. Click on don't include or include. Now in this page, you have to state the problem that you have been facing on Instagram. Simply state that your DM is not opening and fix it as soon as possible. Once you submit the report, now within few hours, your issue will be fixed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.